that you ask this. My approach to lesson planning as it relates to educational standards and the diverse needs of students is making sure that everything is aligned, consistent with enabling students to reach the milestones outlined in the New York State standards. Most importantly, making sure that when I create my lesson plan, my objective and assessments are unified. In order to make my lesson plan complete, it is equally important that my goals, objective, and standards are aligned as well. All components of my lesson plan are created with the concept of tires in mind. Let me explain a little further. When thinking of tires on a car, they all need to move in a straightforward direction. All four tires must be aligned. If one tire is not in alignment, the car will sway side to side. When applying this analogy to lesson planning, my goal, objective, activities, and assessments should be all moving in the same direction. The activities that I plan are aligned with the objective. For example, if my lesson plan goal is modes of transportation, my objective should be shown by the students being able to identify various modes of transportation. The activities that I plan should be aligned with the objective as well. For example, by making a car activity in English and Spanish, the students will use one rectangle, one square, and four circles to design a card that mimics the picture I have placed on each table. This activity is aligned with my objective, learning modes of transportation, and corresponds with the New York State Standard PK Math 11 and PK Art 16A. While this is my approach in lesson planning, the diversity of my students' needs may differ from each student. I will continue to become more knowledgeable of ways to meet the needs of all my students inclusively by keeping updated with trainings, communication with my parents, and fellow peers. The world is continuously evolving with great intuitive ideas that can be a great asset to me. I am also eager to learn as much as I can from your establishment if given the opportunity. Thank you.